Installing the stereo in a boat may not seem like a big deal, but the way we do it is very unique, and I'll tell you why. When a boat comes into our main production area and they begin to add hardware and wiring to the boat, the deck and the hull remain separate. This way, all of our production personnel can have access to all of the little places where wires are routed or amps are mounted and not have to shove themselves into a storage area and not be able to see what it is they're working on. When they're installing the stereo components, namely the amp board with all of the amps on it and the wires that are routed to power or speakers, they're actually installing it at eye level. They sit on a stool. The deck is actually separate from the hull at this point, and they can have full visibility of everything that goes into the wiring of that stereo, do it comfortably and accurately.